Hello everybody, and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. On today's episode, we're going to make a full Monte. Right, so this is a rye whiskey cocktail, but it is also a Amaro Montenegro liqueur, which is actually the bigger portion, right? So this is a liqueur that is Italian, like most of them are, it seems like. But it is it has 40 botanicals, maybe 40 botanicals that are proprietary and a secret, which seems to be the thing. And it's from 1885, so it's been around for a little bit. Anywho, we're going to start off with 2 ounces of our Montenegro. It almost smells like chartreuse, but which has more botanicals. Next, we're going to go 1 ounce of rye whiskey. And we're going to go just 1 dash of our Angostura bitters. Just 1 dash. Bam. Give it my complimentary gentleman stir real quick before we add our ice. Give it a good stir for chill. Got our rocks glass. Let's throw an orange in it. A little orange wedge. Well, not really a wedge, but some dehydrated orange for a little flavor. Strainer. So there you have it, a full Monte with my clothes on. So the Montenegro gives it some spiciness, right? This is a full flavored cocktail because rye is already kind of spicy-ish a little bit when it comes to whiskeys. With this, oh man, it is really, 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 really good. I like it. Just thinking about it. And my phone's ringing in my pocket. Anywho, don't forget to like, follow, and share for more recipe ideas. And to see me. Cheers.